Finding your way around. Getting to know your way around Shortcuts Live is the first step in creating a smarter business environment and smarter client connections. Once you have configured Shortcuts Live to suit you and you know your way around, you'll find tasks like rostering, making appointments, processing point-of-sale transactions, and reporting quick and easy. In this lesson, you'll learn about the navigation bar, the favorites bar, notifications, searching for clients, products or services, and adding and editing information. The menu in Shortcuts Live appears on the left of your screen. Simply click on an icon to access that function. In the bottom bar, you'll find additional options as well as the back button. At the top of the screen is the favorites bar, where you can access your frequently used features. Notifications will appear in the Shortcuts logo pane. Click to see details of your notifications. To search for clients, products or services, just enter the first few letters of the name or item and the search results will appear. You can also restrict your search to active or inactive clients, items or services by checking or unchecking the active and inactive filters. Click on a client, item or service to view the details in the right pane. Any fields you can edit will display a yellow pencil. Click on the pencil or the details to enter edit mode. Fields highlighted with red are mandatory and must be completed before you can save the form. Where you see a drop-down menu, click on it to select one of the options. Where you see a toggle, click to turn the feature on or off. When you are entering information into the fields, move quickly from one field to the next by using the Tab key on your keyboard. Always remember to click the Done button in the bottom right to ensure the details you have entered are saved. In this lesson, you've learned about the navigation bar, the favorites bar, notifications, searching for clients, products or services, and adding and editing information.